Looking to make a splash with your next product launch or pop-up? I'm Sam, and I'm a venue expert here at HireSpace, and I'm here to show you some of the best venues for an unforgettable launch in 2025. First up, Indigo at the O2. Located in Greenwich, this high-tech venue is perfect for impactful presentations and shows. With seating for up to 2,500 people and unparalleled audio-visual capabilities, your product launch will be the talk of the town. Next up, the Paradox Museum. Situated in Knightsbridge, this venue offers a visually stunning and engaging backdrop for your event. The museum's mind-bending exhibits provide an interactive experience that will leave your guests in awe and make your product shine. Then we have 26 Leake Street. Nestled in Waterloo, this urban art space offers a unique and edgy environment for creative launches. Its raw and versatile setting, combined with graffiti art, creates an unforgettable ambience for any product launch. Another great spot is OXO 2. Also in Waterloo, OXO 2 offers sleek, contemporary style paired with stunning views over the Thames. With flexible layouts and the ability to host up to 400 guests, this venue lets you create a product launch that perfectly reflects your brand. And finally, Odeon Leicester Square. For a truly cinematic launch, look no further than this iconic venue in the heart of Leicester Square. With state-of-the-art screen and plush seating for up to 800 attendees, your product will take center stage at this venue. And there you have it, our top picks for the best pop-up and product launch venues for 2025. Be sure to head over to hirespace.com to book your next venue today.